Today, we're diving into two-step delivery for software development. This approach ensures faster delivery while enhancing the stability of our production environment. Before we dive into the specifics, let's first understand trunk-based development. Trunk-based development is a source control branching model where all developers collaborate on a single branch, typically master or main. This means everyone works together in real time, committing their changes frequently. By focusing on a single branch, we avoid the chaos of merging long-running branches while enabling an effective CI/CD workflow. Now, let's dive into the two-step delivery process. It splits the delivery workflow into two steps, building the artifacts and then deploying those artifacts. Here's how it works. First, snapshot mainline. We start by snapshotting the mainline to create a release candidate. This is our potential version that we're aiming to deploy. Second, build pipeline. The build pipeline is triggered where a series of tests validate the integrity of this release candidate. It eventually builds all the required images for deployment. Third, cherry picking. If critical bugs are found or fixes are needed, we cherry pick pull requests to fine-tune this release candidate. This process ensures a clean, validated version is ready for the next step. Now comes the deployment phase. Deploy to staging. The validated release candidate is first deployed to a staging environment for further testing. Then comes deploy pipeline. A deploy pipeline moves the release through various stages from staging to canary to production. Consistency. The same build artifacts are used across all environments, ensuring stability. Finally, rollbacks. If any issues arise, we can roll back by redeploying previous artifacts, ensuring a quick return to stability. Notice how every change follows a systematic path, allowing us to easily track its journey from cutting a release to full deployment. And what's even more impressive is that rollbacks are seamless, just one click, and we revert to a previous stable state. This ability to quickly undo changes is crucial for minimizing downtime and maintaining system reliability. Now that we've covered the theory, let's move on to a hands-on demo showing you how two-step delivery works in real life. We'll walk through cutting a release, deploying it, and cherry-picking a PR. An Aviator dashboard, as you can see, I have 3 PRs. Let's select the first one and cut the release here. Automatic calendar versioning is enabled. Let's have it deployed to staging automatically. As you can see, the release has been cut and automatically deployed to staging. Now, let's cherry pick the PR. This will create a second release candidate for the build, which will include the PR that we cherry picked. As you can see, there are 2 release candidates now, with the second release candidate containing the 2 PRs. To deploy this, select the new release candidate and deploy. Now, you can see that the current version has been changed to the new release candidate. Two-step delivery is an invaluable approach for ensuring safe, consistent, and reliable software releases. Check out the two-step delivery guide in our docs for more insights.